Hi everybody, I'm Sharon Kim Chan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today Landed 7772 is here at Valvista Estate at Lorong Chuan to share with you this functional, cozy 2.5-story inter-terrace that sits on a land size of 1,733 square feet with a total build of approximate 3,000 square feet. It comes with 5 luxurious sized bedrooms, a well-renovated kitchen, a good-sized yard area, and you're able to park 2 cars inside the house. Situated within 1 kilometer are good primary schools like CHIJ and Zhonghua Primary School. Not to mention the Australian and the French International School, which are nearby, which make this estate an expatriate heaven. On top of that, we are nested between the future Tavistock MRT and Lorong Chuan MRT. A walk out of the house brings you to nearby amenities like My Village, Serangoon Gardens Country Club, eateries, Chom Chom. Call me at 92777772 for your exclusive home tour today. Landed 7772, your compass for landed properties.
AAG, the #1 top division in OrangeTee and Thai.